Hey guys, Adam here. In this video I'm going to show you guys my custom bumper I made for my little 18 scale. I just used copper tubing pretty much and welded or soldered actually myself up a little bumper right there. Because they didn't really have any bumpers available for this little car right here, so I just simply made one that just screwed right in there. And I'm going to show you right now some steps and how I did it. And my old man actually helped me out because I've done soldering with wires and that, but I've never really used the propane torch and that. So he showed me how it's done, and show you guys some clips, and maybe you guys can make your own. It's definitely worth it. Definitely saves the damage on the front end, so highly recommend it. So here we go.
A little bit better once turn it to the side. Oh shit. That loose, no, that bottom loosened up. I heated it up too much. That's what you gotta watch.
Oh, but it should harden back up.
Well, it will, but
Don't put it directly down then.
coming off the top, is it? Yeah.